The federal judge's ruling in Florida on the individual health insurance mandate hits it right on the head. He points out that this case is not really about the healthcare system as much as it is about the role and powers of the federal government. It's a question of federalism and what powers the Congress has and the federal government has and what powers the states keep and the people keep under our federal Constitution. And he's ruled today that the individual health insurance mandate, which requires for the first time in American history the American people to go out and buy a commercial product with their own money in the private market, is outside of the scope of federal power. It's unconstitutional. This case, of course, has a long way to go. It'll be headed next to the Court of Appeals, and from there, along with other cases that are being handled in federal courts around the country, it'll go up to the U.S. Supreme Court. So we're a couple of years away from a final resolution, but it is important to recognize that the court in Florida, as with the federal judge in Virginia, has now concluded that the individual health insurance mandate is simply unconstitutional, that it's outside the scope of congressional power. And that's the point we've wanted to make all along in this case. Congress can go back and find other solutions, but they have to do so within the Constitution. The Constitution still matters. The rights of the states still matter. The power and rights of individuals still matter. If you have a chance, go ahead and read his decision. It's a great tour through our constitutional history and through the relevant case law. I think you'll find it very accessible, very informative.